Welcome to day 5, Beauty Bosses. Today is the day where we take your brand, your colors, your label, and your product and start building out your Shopify website. A profitable beauty brand needs a clean, modern, trustworthy website. Well, the good news is you do not have to be a designer or a tech genius to make all of this happen, because we're going to go through all of it together today. But before we walk through the DIY steps, I do want to give you guys our zero friction option. If you want the fastest, easiest, guaranteed clean outcome, we have an entire Beauty Boss design team that can professionally design your website for you based on the foundation that you have built over the first 4 days of this challenge. So that means no tech stress, no trial and error, no piecing things together for you. We'll take the hard work off of your plate so you can start working on your launch and marketing plan for the first 30 days of your brand. The Beauty Boss design team literally builds beauty sites all day long. So if you want a polished, conversion-ready website without lifting a finger, check out our Beauty Boss DFY website services. But if you do want to do this yourself, today and tomorrow, I'm going to show you exactly how. Firstly, let's walk through the structure of a profitable Shopify beauty website together. Think of today as the blueprint, and then tomorrow is going to be the full build. Step 1 is to choose your Shopify theme. Simply log into your Shopify account, click Online Store, then click Theme and peruse through their available options. Once you settle on one, we're going to build out your entire site together, starting with your logo and your favicon image. A favicon is just a small icon associated with a website, typically displayed in browser tabs, bookmarks, and address bars. It serves as a branding tool, helping users easily locate and identify a website among multiple open tabs. For example, the Beauty Boss favicon is our little yellow bee in a white circle. To generate yours, you can either pull an element from your logo like we did that matches your brand, or you can take your logo back into ChatGPT and ask it to build a favicon element for you. Once you have both of these, go in your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store, then click Edit Theme. Then click the gear icon in the left-hand panel, select Logo, then upload your logo and favicon to your site. Make sure to always click Save after any changes you make to your site as well. Next, in the same location of the gear icon up for your theme settings, you can also click Colors and embed your hex codes from day 2, as well as click on Typography and either find or upload your chosen brand fonts. Next, we're going to set up your navigation menu that will be shown at the top of your site on both mobile and desktop. This will help customers or site visitors be able to get to the pages you want them to get to easier. Going back into your Shopify dashboard, we're going to select Pages under Online Store instead of Theme. In this section, you're going to either add pages you'd like to have on your own site or change the name of them based off of the theme you have chosen. But next, you're going to select Content from the left-hand panel on your Shopify dashboard, then Menus. And here is where you create menus and add to or delete from them in the future. Then, once you've built your main menu, you can go back into your Edit Theme Settings page, click on Header, then in the right-hand panel, click on Menu, and select the menu that you built from the drop-down. Next, we're going to build your home page together. Here's the basic layout that we recommend. You want to start with a branded and believable hero section. This is going to include a clean banner, ideally using your Beauty Boss mockups or high-resolution photos that you've taken yourself, a tagline, one sentence that captures your brand's promise, and a call to action button like Shop Now or Explore the Collection. Here's an example of my brand, how we built out the hero section with the Beauty Boss design team. You'll see my logo at the top and a quick announcement bar added talking about my free shipping offer. Then you'll see I chose a bundle hero image with my branded labels and an easy heading and subheading below to match my voice. Next up, you can do a featured product section highlighting your hero product or your assumed bestsellers. You can see for Indigo Alien Beauty, the Beauty Boss design team put this section on brand, titling it Luminous Offerings, and spotlighted multiple products, but the choice is yours. Then you'll want to go into a little brand story snapshot that gives some insight into who you are as a brand and why they should trust you. You'll see the Beauty Boss design team added a section called Your Trusted Skincare Partner to the brand Slap That Ash, which is a snippet of their brand story that can be expanded upon with the Learn More CTA, which redirects them to a longer about page. Then, if you have any UGC photos or lifestyle photos that you have taken up yourself of your sample products, you can add those in different ways combined with high SEO driven copy. Again, please ensure you are using your Beauty Boss custom GPT for this to make your life so much easier and faster. Here's an example of how the Beauty Boss design team helped brand Val Silvana do exactly that. Finally, you'll want to build a footer with links and your privacy policy. Here's an example of what mine looks like and its purpose. Next up, you're going to want to check out or build your product pages. pages. These pages matter more than your homepage because this is actually where your customer decides to buy. So make sure you check or build out your product titles, product images from your magic mockups or self-curated images, your descriptions, your benefits section, and your ingredients section. Then ensure your add to cart button is embedded and active, and add any reviews if you have any. After you're done building these, you can make the choice to also build an about page or any other pages that you believe are needed for your ideal customer to make a buying decision and connect with your brand. And remember, your Beauty Boss Custom GPT from the AI Brand Builder on day 2 is going to be your copywriting machine on this day. Use it to write your homepage headline, your brand story, your product descriptions, and even the copy on your about page. You can also return to your Beauty Boss Creative Library to pull lifestyle photos, models, textures, and more to customize your store even further. And if you want to publish more products, just go to the My Products section in Beauty Boss and start creating more labeled products the same way you did with your first one. Today was your blueprint, guys. Tomorrow we're going to finish your website, test everything, and get your store live. You guys are seriously creating something real, something you can be proud of that is going to go full send tomorrow. I'll see you guys in day 6.